Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and before I play this sales video, I just wanted to personally stop by real quick, say hi, say thank you for watching, for checking out this offer right here. And I want to personally walk you through real quick what it is that you're going to get, because I'm very pumped about it. We worked super hard to create this offer for local marketers, for agencies, for video marketers, okay? And I just want to personally walk you through it a little bit before I even play the sales video, okay? Now, there's no BS here. I'm just going to go straight into a demo basically and show you what it is, okay, and why I'm so excited about this. So basically what we did is we took 11 stunning, elegant, incredible business websites for 11 different niches, and we're giving them to you on a silver platter. They're WordPress based, they're easy to use, you can install them in minutes literally, and they look incredible. In my opinion, they're the best website templates you've ever seen on JVZoo, and I'm going to prove it to you right now, okay? Now, what you see here is the sales page, okay? And here are the niches that you get, right? You get a dentist, you can target family lawyers, personal injury lawyer, childcare, pet grooming. Now, if I head over and actually check out one of these websites, I just wanted to show you this in action, okay? Now, you can customize this for your client. You can have your client's actual logo right here. You can customize the call to action, you can customize the phone number, but look at the quality. Each of them are loaded with optimized content as well. You get the content as well, and very, very nice design, very high attention to detail. And if you can see here, there's a button, request a quote, beautiful sections right here. There's another request to a quote button. You can fully customize this, of course. You can have different sections right here. You can have a sliding header right here. There's another section right here. As you can see, you can enter your name and phone number. You can collect leads right inside here. It integrates with autoresponders. You can feature your client's team right here. And then also, you can feature a blog post section here as well. And then here at the bottom, you can even have a Google Maps so that it's easy for prospects to find that client, right? So you can sell this website the way it is, okay, for thousands of dollars, either to local businesses in your area or, for example, on something like Fiverr, right? Now, here's a family law example, right? Just want to show you real quick. Beautiful. You can see here the practice areas that they have. You can see here you can customize the call to action. You can have a testimonial section right here. Again, you can send them a message and, a free consultation, for example, you can request right here. You can feature your team again here. You can sell this website. Now, attorneys are paying $5,000 to $15,000 for websites like this, right? If you don't believe me, I'm going to prove it to you in just a moment. And then here's a dentist example, right? Beautiful website, HD graphics, royalty-free images that you can use. You get with this a commercial license for all the templates that we give you, so you can immediately use them with your actual clients and prospects as well. Here, look at this beautiful schedule and appointment section right here. And then if I scroll down, everything here can be customized, or you can just leave it like this. Obviously ask your client for their copy that they want on their on this website, and you can sell it to them. And it's a beautiful theme, WordPress based, mobile optimized. You can install it in just 4 minutes flat. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. And again, here you can customize, of course, the call to action, right? Now, one cool bonus, I'm stealing my own thunder here, is that we are going to give you an actual agency website that sells these websites for you. So we are giving you a done for you web design agency literally in minutes, right? You get this website here as a bonus, and it is selling this web design service based on the templates that you're buying today. You can see here, we have the dentist, we got the lawyer, we got the restaurant. All of these templates, you get them, and we give you a website to sell them easily in your local area. Now, we optimize this website here for agencies, for local marketers, for video marketers, and it's going to make it easy for you to sell these services and sell these websites on websites like Fiverr, freelance sites, or in your local area, right? Now, before I start the official sales video, you can see I'm pumped right here. I want to show you a couple more things. This section here is super important. I took these screenshots yesterday on Fiverr, okay, on Fiverr. And even on Fiverr, you can see here someone for a simple WordPress website is charging $950. Here someone is charging for a WordPress site $1,280, right? Here's another one, $1,600. And then I found some research online that looked at what on average, dentists and lawyers and other industries are paying for websites, and they're paying up to $2,500 to $8,000 on average. But as you can see here, it says though prices can go substantially higher depending on the law firm's requirements, right? Here you can see an example, $3,000 to $5,000 for a WordPress website, right? Just imagine yourself selling these sites on Fiverr, on freelance sites, or to local businesses, to a gym in your local area, to a restaurant in your local area. That's why I'm so pumped about this. There's people right now every single day selling templates like this on Fiverr for over $1,000, and you get access to 11 of them plus the agency website as well that we're including as a bonus. And then you can see some cool stats here on the sales page, why businesses obviously need their websites. And then I just want to show you the second bonus also here, really cool, some cool features that you can read through it. We have a quick install demo for you where you can see where in just 4 minutes we are installing a template that you're getting on WordPress. It's that easy, and in 4 minutes you can deliver that service for your client. For example, that demo video is right here. You can press on play. And then also here's the agency website that we're going to give you as a bonus. But then the second bonus that I just want to share with you before I switch over to the actual sales message is this bonus right here. It's a done for you sales video with a professional US and UK voiceover. Obviously right now you can sell these website templates anywhere online, on Fiverr, on freelance sites. Is it Europe, Australia, United States, Canada? It doesn't matter. But we're going to provide you with a UK voiceover, but also with a US voiceover. And these are professionally done sales videos with a professional voiceover, and it's going to make it even easier for you to sell these services. Each of these videos sells web design services, right? So you get an agency website, okay, that is highly optimized, that is selling the 11 templates that you have, where you can customize it and just target your favorite niche. You get the sales video, you get the 11 WordPress templates that you can sell immediately in your local area. And I think this is an incredible package. This is a launch special right now. We have we made sure that we price this as low as possible. And I truly believe, obviously I'm biased, right, that this is the most beautiful designed business website package that you can buy on JVZoo or online, period. So that's about it. I can't wait to see you guys in the members area. I know that you will love this offer, okay? So let me switch over to the sales video real quick and summarize everything for you that you are getting, okay? Thank you so much. Check out the rest of the website, and I can't wait to see you inside. You will love this. All right, thank you so much for checking out my quick intro. Now let me just summarize everything for you. If you take action today, you will get access to 11 stunning, elegant, and highly optimized business website templates. We are also including commercial rights, so you can sell them to prospects starting today. Each website looks incredible, can be 100% customized for your clients, and was created to generate maximum leads for your client as well. All loaded with content, incredible images, lead capture forms, and so much more. Here you can see just some of the elements and features that you can customize, but at the end of the day, it's all about the amazing design and high attention to detail that we brought to the table with this special offer. Plus, every business needs a website, and you can find proof of that fact on our sales page below. And this is a serious profit opportunity, and there are folks on Fiverr selling WordPress websites every day for over $1,000. Website design agencies even charge up to $10,000 for a simple website. Here's some quick research that shows that dentists pay on average $3,200 to $7,200 for a simple WordPress website, but often it is between $8,000 and $17,000 depending on the needs of that dentist. Here's a screenshot I took yesterday on Fiverr where someone is selling a simple WordPress website for $950. Here's another one of a simple website offered for $1,600 also on Fiverr. Now here's yet another one of a simple website being sold on Fiverr for $1,200. And here yet again, a WordPress website design is sold for $1,280. Just imagine how much money you can make even if you want to be lazy and just sell 3 websites per month. That's still $3,000. And of course, we don't stop here. We want to make it easy for you to sign up clients. That's why we're also including a stunning web design agency website for you as bonus number 1. This website is optimized to sell your web agency fortune templates for you 24/7, and you can see a live demo below on the sales page. And to make this a total no-brainer, we're also including 2 sales videos for you, both selling web design services for you as well, with professional voiceovers. You're saving thousands of dollars not having to create these websites and videos from scratch, while at the same time opening up an incredible income opportunity, selling a tangible service every business business needs. Here's a quick recap of everything that you're getting if you take action right now during this launch special. You get 11 stunning full-page business templates, incredible web design agency website as well that helps you sell them, true professional sales videos, UK and US voiceover included. Now, each of the templates is 100% customizable. It's fast and easy to install. Actually, below you can watch a video where we're installing it in just 4 minutes flat. It's WordPress based, it's SEO friendly, mobile optimized. There's no coding, no headaches on your end. You get autoresponder integrations and so much more, even including step-by-step tutorial and dedicated support. We got you covered, including a 14-day money-back guarantee. You can literally download everything, start selling it, collect payments, and if you don't love it, just let us know and you get immediately your money back. But I have full trust that you're gonna love this offer. Now, during this launch special, you can get everything for one crazy low price. A fair warning though, this deal is only good during this launch special. And every day during this launch, the price for this incredible package goes up, no exceptions. And as I mentioned, you're of course covered by a rock solid money back guarantee. So take action right now, seize this opportunity with both hands and start generating profits now. Sign up immediately before this launch special is over and this deal is gone.